My name is Dr. Francisco de Melo. I'm a consultant plastic surgeon and I'm one of the faculty members of the training courses at Villa Fortuny Training Center. We are actually having two courses, one on botulinum toxin and another one on soft tissue fillers, both directly to any physician that wants to get some expertise on these techniques. The hands-on part of our course is one of the most attractive courses in Dubai, because not only you will be able to treat a real patient, but you're going through all the stages like in a normal consultation on a clinic. The Villa Fortuny course is the only DHA approved and certified course that allows you to add this competence to your privileged scope of practice.